siguro mga nasa 98% na that we are ready. In fact, the PMS and the PSG group is already here since yesterday in preparation also for the coming of the President. For the entire tournament, dalawa po yung gusto natin tignan in terms of preparation. Number one, the billeting quarters. So for the past 2 days, 3 days rather, I've been going around the billeting quarters. At ito lang po yung feedback that we're getting from our regional delegations, no, that are billeted in the various schools here in Ilocos Norte. Number one, they are very satisfied with the accommodations that being afforded to them in terms of the basic amenities. Isa lang po talaga yung problema natin, tubig, yung supply ng water. And this is perennial, hindi lang po ito dito sa Ilocos Norte. In every palaro, yun po talaga yung nagiging problema tubig. Because our schools that are being used as billeting quarters, they are not used for that, hindi talaga sila naka-design to accommodate that kind of population, both daytime and nighttime, that will consume water. Since we have already established, or when we already finalized the date of the palaro, which is 24 of May, we already started concretizing our plans, preparation for the playing venues. And part of that is really to make sure that all our playing venues are within the required standard. We solicited the help of the Philippine Sports Commission and the various NSAs. And together with our tournament directors, our officials, we will be going around checking the venue for the final playing venues, making sure that number one, it's within the standard. Second, the playability of this venue. Then third, yung condition po natin, making sure that they are safe. So in fact, sir, we already have 2 technical conferences prior to the palarong pambansa. At malaking bahagi po ng technical conferences na yon is really to make sure that our venues are playable and within the standard. And even, in fact, sir, simula po kahapon hanggang ngayon, ako po mismo yung nag-iikot sa ating mga playing venues. Number one consideration natin, sir, I think more than, of course, we recognize the importance of being standard. Pero ang isa po sa major concern natin ngayon, yung condition ng playing venues natin with regards to the elevated heat index. So, kahit po indoor yan, minsan talagang hindi po kaya dahil sa sobrang init po. And this is why we are making sure through our tournament directors that kung hindi po kaya yung init within the venue ng ating mga playing venues, we will be declaring window time for playing windows. No? For example, hanggang 10 o'clock po sa umaga ang laro at mag-resume lang po ito ng 2 p.m. So that's our assurance, and probably our counterparts from the local government can add on in terms of the compliance natin sa standard for the playing.